the representative of the auditors to read the auditor's report.
We have audited the accompanying separate and consolidated financial statements of United Bank for Africa PLC, the bank, and its subsidiaries together, the group. These financial statements comprise statements of financial position as of 31 December 2012, and the statements of comprehensive income, changes in equity, and cash flows for the year that ended, and a summary of significant accounting policies and other explanatory notes. Directors' responsibility for the financial statements. The directors are responsible for the preparation and fair presentation of these financial statements in accordance with International Financial Reporting Standards, with the requirements of the Companies and Allied Matters Act and the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act, and for some internal control as the directors determine is necessary to enable the preparation of financial statements that are free from material misstatement, whether due to fraud or error.
We, the members of the Audit Committee, hereby report as follows. We confirm that we have seen the audit plan and scope and the management letter on the audit of the accounts of the bank and the responses to the said plan. In our opinion, the plan and scope for the period ended 31 December 2012 were adequate. We have reviewed the auditor's findings and we are satisfied with the management responses thereon. We also confirm that the accounting and reporting policies of the bank are in accordance with legal requirements and ethical practices.
I hereby move that the director's report and the balance sheet as at 31 December 2012, together with the profit and loss account for the year ended on that day, submitted to the meeting, be received and adopted. Are there any questions before the meeting?
The dividend being paid is actually from the bank, not the HoldCo arrangement, which makes it very clearly to us that this may be the last time the bank will be paying a direct dividend to shareholders. And I think that also needs to be clear to us. I would like to thank you for your magnanimity in giving us shares in UBA Capital and the UBA, the Prudential Registers. That has also helped us to be part owners of these institutions. And I will assure you that the right issue being proposed by Prudential will get our approval and support in practical terms.
I want to clarify that this is not going to be the last that is going to come from the bank. Now, what is going to happen is that in future, you'll be getting from the bank, you'll be getting from the non-bank subsidiaries as well. So you'll be getting more than you have gotten in the past. So instead of getting from UBA PLC alone, you'll get from the bank UBA PLC. You are going to get from UBA Capital when they declare dividend, because UBA Capital PLC is a separate and distinct company of its own.
The bank is poised for, the year as we come into the second half, and there's a determination. You can see the enthusiasm in the shareholders, on the declared dividends, and they're happy with the fact that things have stepped up from last year, and everyone is quite optimistic, and the bank is poised to take its lead.
I want to express great appreciation to all of them who have helped us, to achieve these numbers. I feel very, very excited over it. Last year, we didn't pay any dividend to our shareholders. We actually issued some bonus shares to them. But this year, we said we should reward them. They have been with us, they have supported us, they have exercised a lot of patience and understanding, and we really, really appreciate. So we say thank you to them, and we feel very excited over this.
It's very, very wonderful. This is a top-line performance. The total dividend payment of 16.6 billion naira translates into 50 kobo for each 50 kobo share. This is very, very good, and we are very happy with the result. If you look at the profit before tax, it closed at 52 billion naira, which is a very, very excellent result. It comes from the, at the background of a 26 billion naira loss last year. Even the group profit was higher. It closed at 54 billion naira. So if you look at all these things, the UBA is a very, very good bank, and it has done very well. And in future, we are going to expect more dividend payout, more profits, and more gross earnings, and everything, financial in the bank is going to grow.